So this week I teach you about the AS3000 wiring rule. There are two parts. Part one is a scope application, and part two is a installation practice. So part one is this is a structure of the AS3000 rule. Section one is a scope application definition structure of compliance. Section 2 to 8 are the general arrangement, control, protection, installation of electrical apply, accessory, admin, etc. Apparently, is a reference. It includes the cable selection, maximum demand, and graphs. So in this case, the table C1 or the year 3000 is we utilize for the calculation of maximum demand for the domestic electrical installation. Table C2 for the non-domestic electrical installation. So that in this case, this lesson, you can also see my page. So this is the page here. So maximum demand cable selection. So you have to study the part one. This is a study note. G107 EL0018 and go out the audios are recorded in the classroom. Similarly, part 2 is this is the part 2 lesson link. You can click and you read, and also you listen to the audio lesson. Also part 3 also you have to click and also you listen to it. So this is for all the notes and the audio lesson. Today audio lessons are you can find on my page. So 16 July 2022, lesson 21, International English PF and EE. So this is the trade to maximum demand cable selection. Those are the notes and then audio lessons. So in this case, this lesson is we talk about the maximum demand. So we have to select the appropriate supply cable. So in this case, we have to utilize the year 3000, 2007, and table C1, C2, C3. Now 2018, table C1, C2, C3 have to be utilized. So they have to calculate this problem. Determine the maximum demand of the single domestic electrical installation supply at the single phase with the following nodes: 24 lighting wide, 10 meter lighting track, 9 number of the 10 ampere single socket outlet, 8 number of the 10 ampere double socket outlet, 1 number of 50 watt exhaust fan, 1000 watt strip heater, 1 number of the 15 ampere socket outlet, 1 number of 10 kilowatt range, and 1 number of 4.8 kilowatt water heater, 1 about 3 kilowatt tennis court lighting. Those are the loads connected. So we have to determine the maximum demand. So in this case, we have to find out this 24 lighting watt. In this case, table C1 load group A1. So here table A here, table C1, C2, C3. So this is the load group, table C1 load group. So this will be you can see the load group here, 3 ampere for 1 to 20 watt, 2 ampere for each additional 20 watt. So this is the single domestic. This is block domestic living. This is for the houses all the local A1 lighting. We have to select this group, and for the outdoor lighting, we have to select this group. This is the table C1. So that we based on those table C1, we have to categorize the kind of the load and we determine the maximum demand. So firstly, we're talking about the 24 light watt. So that in this case, table C1 is a local A1. This is a single domestic column 2. In this case, first 20 points, we had to select 3 ampere, and for the addition there's 4 point, there will be the 2 ampere, and also addition there's 20 point. So this is for the 2 and 3 and 2, they put the 5 ampere you got. So this is lighting point 24 point, you can calculate the 5 ampere. 10 meter lighting track. In this case, we have to see the footnote D. Every 1 meter, there will it will equivalent to the 2 point. So this is the 10 meter multiplied 2 point. You got this is for the 20 point. So this is why the total light points are what happens is total lighting point 20 point, lighting track is 20 point. In the meantime, this program also said about the exhaust fan. Exhaust fan is also equivalent to 1 point. So this is the total point with the 45 point. This is why the 45 point we have to set this A1. So first 20 point 3 ampere, second 20 point 2 ampere. So another 5 point is within the 20 points, so that we have to take the 2 ampere. So this is total current is 7 ampere we got. So this is the way we got as a 7 ampere. So 9 about 10 ampere the socket outlet. In this case, we have to use this is the low group B1. So low group B1. So 9 about 10 ampere socket 9 point. Also 8 about 10 ampere double socket outlet. So 8 multiplied to the 16 point. And straight heater also included. This is additional 1 point, so this is the total addition, the 26 point. So 26 point is this is you can divide it 20.1 plus a 6 point. For the socket outlet, load groups are B1, first 20 point, the current is a 10 ampere. Additional 6 point is a within the 20 point, so this is 5 ampere, so to the current will be there 15 ampere. This is for all the socket outlet, the total current is a 15 ampere. So this is the way we calculate. Also that one amount of 15 ampere socket outlet is that this is the low group P2, we have to take the 10 ampere. 10 kilowatt range, in this case low group 2, low group C. In this case, according to the rules are low group C, it will be that 50% of the connected load. So 50% of connected load, so that we calculate 10 kilowatt into 10 power 3 divided by 240, multiply 0.5, you got 20.8 ampere. We got also the 4.8 kilowatts of water heater. This is a storage heater. The storage is a low group F. So we have to take the full load. So the 4.8 to 10 power 3 divided by 240, 20 ampere. Another thing, the telescope lighting is an auto lighting. It will track the 75% of the connected load. So the 3 kilowatt 3 into 10 power 3 divided by 240 multiplied by 0.75, you got the 9.4 ampere. So those are the answer for the 1, 2, 3, 4 circuits are the result. Those results are we combined together. So to the maximum demand, we get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we add everything, you got the 82.2 ampere. So this is the way we calculate this maximum demand. So those are the reference table. We apply the table C1. So you can see a low group, and this is what table C1 low group, C, D, E, F. So those tables we have to refer. Now things that we have to determine the maximum demand of the heavier loaded phase in a domestic electrical installation comprising the 26 lighting point. In this case, it's included 24 number of the 10 ampere single socket outlet, 1 number of the 15 ampere socket outlet, 1 number of 6.6 kilowatt range, 1 number of 4 kilowatts air conditioning unit, 1 number of 12.96 kilowatt instantaneous water heater, 1 number of the 3.6 kilowatt clothes dryer, and 1 number of the 2 number of the 5 kilowatt hot water. And also that we have to arrange for the connection across in the 3 phase. We have to arrange the connection. So the those are you have to arrange into the 3 phase. So that we arrange the thing. Red, right phase, that's a white, blue, and this is a 5 kilowatt hot plate. Another is a 4 kilowatt. Red phase are include a 5 kilowatt hot plate, 4 kilowatt air conditioner, 4.8 kilowatt instantaneous water heater. White phase include a 15 number of 10 ampere socket outlet, 5 kilowatt hot plate, 4.8 kilowatt instantaneous water heater. Also the blue phase include a 26 light, 9 about the 10 ampere socket outlet, 6.6 range, and a 4.8 instantaneous water heater. Also, the white phase also include a 3.6 kilowatt of clothes dryer. Those things are that we arrange to the phase. Then we have to find out the to draw this table. So here is the equipment, low group, column. So we have to arrange. Phase equipments are low group and column. Red, white, and blue, equipment, low group and column. Then we have to find the equipment. So in this case, firstly we have to find that this is for the equipment here. This is equipment, low group, column, red, white, and the blue. So here is lighting point. Lighting point we use a low group A1. So this is the first 20 point is 8 ampere. Additional 20 points are 2 ampere. So that will be to the 5 ampere. So this is the we put into this 5 ampere into the low group, and also the 10 ampere socket outlet we also calculate, and also the range we also calculate, and also the hot plate instantaneous water heater we calculate. Across in with the we using the AS3002 table C2 we calculate, and we put the those value in the respective red, white, and the blue column. So this is the way red, white, and blue column we put. So that then we got the all current we added together. So we got the red phase to the current, white phase to the current, blue phase to the current. In this case, the red phase got the to the current highest. We select the 38.9 ampere. So this is the table we apply it. Another thing is to determine the maximum demand of the heavier load phase or the block of the 80 unit comprising the following loads. So lighting unit 80 unit, 10 ampere socket outlets are 80 unit. So electric range includes 70 units, and also the 2.5 kilowatt 10.4 ampere permanent straight heater is included in the 80 units. Quick recovery heater included in the 80 units. And loading not associated, this is components are loading 90 number of the 60 watts are lighting point, 21 number outlet 100 watts are lighting point, 20 number 10 ampere single socket outlet, 10 number 3.6 kilowatt clothes dryer, 2 number 12 kilowatt lead motor, and 1 number 5.5 kilowatts 3-phase pump motor, 1 number 4 kilowatt 3-phase water supply motor. Those are included in the door loads. So in this case, those loads are connected for the 3-phase. So every phase individual unit per phase is 80 by 3. You got the 27. So in this case, all these lighting units are included in 27. Electric range per phase is 17 multiplied by 3. That's equal to 6. So the UC is equipment, load group, column, calculation, and result. So individual you calculate. So lighting point 27 unit, load group is A1. We use a column 5. So in this case, 27 units or 27 multiplied by 0.5, you got it 13.5 ampere. So this is the 27 unit. 27 unit, this is the that we utilize. Just table. This is the loading point. A residential unit. So this is for the load group, we utilize this one. So in this case, also we calculate the socket outlet, load group B1, column 5. So the calculation is 50 multiplied 1.9 into 27. So this will be the 101.3 ampere. Electric range is 6 unit. So the column 4 and 5. So in this case, the range is load group C, column 4 and 5. Load group C here. So this is for this unit, 2 and 5 lighting unit. That column we are utilizing. Load group C here. Load group C we utilize, and we calculate the electric range. So the load group C is as column 4 and 5. So 2.8 multiplied by 6, you got a 6.8 ampere. Straight water heater is 27 unit per phase. So space heating. So this is load group D. Column 4 and 5. So the formula is 2.5 into 10 power 3 into 27 divided by 240 multiplied by 0.75. You got a 210.6. Water heater is storage water heater. Load group F, column 5. So the formula is 100 plus 0.8 multiplied by 27, 121.6. So we add all together, we got a 468.2 ampere. So this is the way we calculate the total current. So those are the reference tables. Now this we also calculate for the communal load. This is the reference table that we utilize to calculate. So this is another thing that we also calculate common load, communal lighting. Communal lighting load group H. So we refer to column 3, 4, 5. So calculation 90 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 21 multiplied 100 divided by 240 divided by 3, you got a 10.4 ampere. 10 ampere single socket outlet. So that will be the average 7 unit. So that will be load group 3, 4, 5. So that 2 multiplied by 7, you got this 40 ampere. 3.6 kilowatts clothes dryer. So the every phase total units are 10 unit. The 3 phase divided by 3, so approximately 4. Load group J, column 3, 4, 5. So there we calculation 3.6 into 10 power 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 0.5. You got a 240. You got the 30 ampere. And the other thing is the motor, the load group D. So first motor is at 5.5 into 10 power 3. And second motor is at 50%. So the 0.5 multiplied by 4 into 10 power 3 divided by 240. You got the 40/6. So you add all together, all the combined load is 69 ampere. So this is the way that we calculate. In this case, the individual unit load is at 468.8. Combined load is 69. So you add together 532.8 ampere. So this is the maximum demand calculation. So those maximum demand calculation, as you can see the delay calculation in this link. Also, you listen to the audio lesson. And so we also talk about the part 2. Part 2 is a cable selection. When you select the cable, we had to utilize the AS3008, page 30, we have to utilize. There are 4 major tables. Table 31, 32, 33, and 34. 31 is enclosed in the air. 32 is enclosed in air. 33 is a body direct in the ground. 34 is a body in underground. So depending on the installation method type of cable, we have to use the father cable for the reading, and the father table to be determined by the derading factor. So we have to select the suitable type of cable and the voltage drop for the following cable. So you see the circuit A, 3-phase single core enclosed in air, B75 TPN cable. So in this case, we can utilize this cable is firstly, we select the enclosed in air. Enclosed in air is we select the cable that 3 to the 3-phase single core, 3 single core cable. We use a row 2. Row 2s are table 3 for row 2, and it also further indicates that the table 7 is 75 degrees centigrade, and table 8 is 90 degrees centigrade, table 9 for the 110 degrees centigrade cable. So in this case, table 7's columns are 15 to 7 have to be utilized. So in this case, protected device rating is 25 ampere. So then you select the cable conductor size 4 millimeter ampere square. This one is enclosed in the air. Enclosed in air means it refers to the table 41 as well, wiring enclosure. And that is a 42 meter. So then we have to calculate the voltage drop. The voltage drop is VCLI by 1000. So from the table 41, we got the voltage drop value. And voltage drop value 9.71 we got. And that is a 47, and the current is a 25 divided by 1000. Then we calculate the voltage drop as well. So this is the ways we calculate. Firstly, we select this appropriate depending on the enclosed in air or the enclosed in enclosed in air. Firstly, we select the appropriate table. So this case we select the table 32. Table 32s are row number 2, and then this one further refer to the table 789. Then we select the protected device rating 25 ampere. Then we select the conductor type is 4 millimeter square. So then use a table 41, use a conductor type 4 millimeter square. Then we calculate the VC. Then we substitute in formula. We equal to VC L by 1000. So this is the VC value we substitute. Li then is a 7042, current 25 divided by 1000. So this is the way we calculate the voltage drop. Similarly, you look at this all other things. All others are calculation, and you can select the appropriate table. So this is for this is the table 41. Voltage drop calculation. This is the table 4. This is the table 32. This is the application of derading factor. Derading factor is when the multiple circuits are running in the same conduit or trunk. The derading factor is utilized to increase the current carrying capacity and also the conductor side. So in this case, our maximum demand current of the summary in the non-domestic installation calculated to be the 120 ampere. The selected cable is a 4-core non-armors B90 insulated and the heated circular cores are copper conductor. Installation of the cable plate is clipped directly to the internal wall with a full outer circuit and touching and open to the air and protected by the circuit breaker. That is a 50 meter. So firstly, we calculate the 4-core. 4-core means that 3-phase, so 3 active wire, including 3-core similarly. Open to air is unenclosed and clipped to the internal wall. Therefore, in the air we have to utilize table 31. This is unenclosed. From the table, the 3-core cable, we use rows 13 because they clipped direct to the wall. So the table 31 row 13 is utilized. And this row 13 indicate that we have to further use a table 13 40. 13 for the 75 degrees centigrade cable, V75, 90, 14 for this V90, and table 15 for the V110. In this case, the V90, so we select the table 14. So table 14, column 5 and 7. So in this case, if further, in this case, the table 14, column 5 has to be utilized. Derading factor is you have to utilize the table 22. With all other circuit, this means that this total is 4, 5 circuit. So in this case, I clip it to the wall. So this is the from here that we utilize the table 22. From the table 22, you got the delay for 0.85. So the 120 MBR divided by 0.85, you got the 141 MBR. So this is the approximately we use as a 168 MBR. From the table 14 corner 5, we use a 168 MBR. The cross sectional area is 15 millimeter square. So that's the way we calculate the cross sectional area. So this is the ways that we have to utilize this table here, table 31. Table 31, depending on the row, we have to select those rows. And this is table 13. Table 13 is a current carrying capacity we select. And this is table 22. Table 22 is a derivative of our calculation. So this is depending on the item number. We have to use the number of circuit. We select the derivative factor. And this is the table 40. This is a body draw calculation. And then G107 with 13. So G107 with 13 is this is the lesson. Those lesson notes are I do the calculation. So you study the those lesson in my calculation. And also you listen to this is the appropriate reference tables are here. So those calculation you study and also you listen to the audio file. This is the detailed maximum demand or HRC few rating. You have to read those calculation. And all the calculations that I expect and also the appropriate tables are here. So this is the calculation appropriate utilization of the AS3000 table. They are also that this is the final circuit follow impedance. You can see the those calculation and also the for calculation also. Those are the revision question because of the V1, V2, V3. We have all these. I have already explained you about the delay calculation. So those are the revision. So for the revision lesson, those lessons are you have to read the revision lesson here. Maximum demand cable selection. Those are the note. Those are the audios are record. This is the note, and those are audio record. This is note, and this is the audio record. So those things you have to study because of the in the V1 we have all these. I show you. I have already explained about the details of calculation. The next one is we have to do this trade 2. Trade 2 that we do the electrical trade running spool side. Then we do the electrical trade 2022. I college document select electrical trade 2022.htm. So you click to this one. Then last week I told you about to study the G106. So this week you have to study the G107. G107, UENE G107A. So you click this one. Here I wobble. Study those wobbles are lesson. All the wobble lesson here. And also you can also see there's an answer. So those are the G107 workbook. So you study the workbook and also you study the answer. Those are answer for the workbook. Workbook answer, G107 workbook answer part 1 as well as part 2. Those are the answer for the G107 workbook. Answer part 1, this is answer part 2. So you study the G107 workbook, download and study the workbook, and also that you answer. Also you can look at the my answer regarding the workbook question. So those are workbook part 1 and workbook part 2 answers. Then you have to view this video lesson. So this is a workbook answer part 2. So then from this one, I told you about the what to go. You have to select, click the I joined the go to the toggle select electrical trade 2022 or HDM. So you click this one. Then here you see there's a G107. Look at the G107. Click the G107. Then you download the workbook and the answer for the workbook. And then you have to view the those video lessons. Those video lessons are all the competencies unit. Everything competency components are, you can see the video lesson. Those video lessons, you can see the details of competency. So this is the way you can study the G107. So the G107 workbook had to be studied. So this is the way G107 work. This is trade 2. G107 workbook. You need to study the G107 workbook. So the link is here. The link I give you here. So this links are you accept to get this link. So these links are you have to study the G107A. So you can study the G107 look. This workbook you download. So this is workbook here. This workbook you download. And this is the answer. The answer one you download and study. And this is the answer for the another answer 2 you download and study. And after that, you have to view the those video lesson. Those video you have to view. At the end, you have to view the those things. This is the way that you have to study the workbook answer. Then you also have to study the AC calculation. Today we talking about the AC calculation. So this is that we do the AC calculation. So AC calculation with 3A. So with 3A and with 3B, we have to calculate. So CRS, this is for the advanced diploma, Bachelor of Appliance Engineering. So AC calculation, G102 A and B. G102, lesson 3 A and B. So we do the slide.